In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily permanently disable live photos on your iPhone's camera. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and if we open up our camera app, we can find that live camera mode icon at the top right corner. In my case, and by default, it is always toggled on. However, if we would like to take a picture with live photos mode turned off, we can tap at that icon. It says live off here, and then we can take some pictures in a regular camera mode. However, if we close camera app and if we later on open it up again, it will still start with live photos mode turned off. To permanently turn off live photos mode, we need to head over to settings. On settings, scroll all the way down until you find camera. That's where you can easily find preserve settings. We need to get into preserve settings and then scroll down to the very bottom where we can easily find live photo. If we turn on that option, it will preserve the live photo setting rather than automatically reset to live photo turned on. So once you've turned that option on, open up your camera app and then make sure that live photos turned off, and then you can in any time start your camera up and take a picture without live photo mode activated. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.